I think this is the train up to Lowell. He stopped there for clearance. The track up there splits at a Y and goes left, goes northeast, and they continue straight into Boston. And that's got to be the only reason he stopped. That's why I like at night hopping trains. I could have snuck down and got on. He's a good mixed freight manifest. I'm gonna try. I can catch something maybe that fast. Nah, that's about a mile an hour too fast. Mile and a half an hour too fast. Because if a boxcar was open, I'd have to put my pack in, then my bucket, and then my water, and then still be able to run a little bit enough while holding on to the handle to jump up in there. All you need to do is just have enough time to jump, to push up with your legs, and then the rest is on your arms. Let's see if he's taking that curve. I can't see up there anymore. I should have brought my binoculars out here. Yep, he's taking the curve to the left. Portland, Maine. Yeah, he's got to call dispatch too before entering that new subdivision. Dad, blurn it. Oh, he's slowing down again. I can see about 4 cars down, and I just see a difference in color and shade past that. But with me, I only need to see 1 car. That's all that counts. That white hopper right there, that's a ride, but it's way out in the open. I wish it was dark. Yeah, and these, make sure I don't get hit. These box cars are empty. I can already tell by the springs. If you can get a pinky in between there, it's empty. I can tell by the distance, though. Man, I wish it was dark. I'd just open that plug door up. But he's got that IM yard track here and the main there. Be my luck, as soon as I get over there, a train would come on the middle track. Man. Wonder how long he's gonna be here. Gee. And those 2 hoppers ain't got no floor in them on either end. Just a beam in the middle. I always want to follow my gut instinct. I should have walked up past that overhead signal. I know it's up there because it's not that far down. That way I'd already been on and just went down beyond the signal. That way I'd be way out on the tail end. I think I'm gonna go for it. I can't leave my camera on. I gotta pack everything up. I'll upload a video when I'm on and put part 1 and part 2 if I make it.